I'm Russell Hall, creator of LocalBiz Vortex, automated software for local businesses, offline marketers and niche marketing specialists everywhere. Talking to you as I'm driving around here in my hometown in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And today I'd just like you to know that we've been working on LocalBiz Vortex. It's been under development now and planning for over 6 months. And it's undergone scores of field tests, feature tweaks, revisions and upgrades, just so that we could bring it to you in its present state, and it really is awesome. And I think you're going to be absolutely blown away by what it can do for you in your local marketing or your niche marketing specialist business. And in a moment, when I get home, I'd just like you to come inside and I'll show you why I'm so hyped up about this, and you can just see how special LocalBiz Vortex is and how it can help you to make more money in offline marketing or niche marketing. Come on in. Okay, well, thanks for popping inside to check this out with me. And as I mentioned earlier, the LocalBiz Vortex site builder has been over 6 months in the making. We've got some awesome features. Just let's carry right on and check them out. And the first thing I want to point out is that LocalBiz Vortex presents all site visitor content above the fold. That's the visible screen area without any downward scrolling. Now, why is this above the fold thing so important? You may have heard of this before. And it's because research has shown that 77% of first-time site visitors do not scroll down home pages of websites. So that means if you've got a site where there's critical messages or calls to action below the fold, only 23% of site visitors would ever see them. Smashing Magazine featured an article on this recently where they took Jacob Nielsen's study results and showed that only 23% of visitors scrolled on the first visit to a website. And this means that 77% of visitors just will not scroll. Now, any website designer or template theme marketer that tries to play down these critically important and relevant facts plain and simply doesn't have the local business person's primary commercial interests at heart. We took those factors into consideration and created a product built for versatility, ease of use, SEO strength, speedy setup, and most of all, visitor engagement. Enter LocalBiz Vortex new generation cutting-edge local business website builder. Now, LocalBiz Vortex has been created with one primary driving objective, which is to attract potential customers and clients to the website and then to prompt them to take some form of action, to either call the business or to enter a lead generation funnel. And this is where LocalBiz Vortex excels, where most other websites fail, some in fact quite miserably. LocalBiz Vortex has been strategically designed to display everything above the fold on the site homepage. So everything that you see, that you need to see, all the calls to action, all the relevant information are there on the site when you land on it. Now, there's a built-in H-card feature as well that publishes to any page and also displays via a very neat pop-out light box. And hovering over the H-card link down at the bottom there, or wherever you put it, activates the light box, and you can also print that information to any page, post or sidebar. Now, the H-card also inserts powerful geo-targeted metadata to your page source files, and search engines see this and they use it to identify the fact that your website represents a legitimate local business, and they will rank your site higher in the search engine result pages. And the design incorporates several call to action points on the home landing page, all above the fold. You've got relevant details in the header, in the top header banner, in the right side call to action arrow, in the flashing phone number. The phone number is repeated several times, including the footer. Everything that you need to have on there, and specifically all the call to action points, are there directly in the focal view of the site visitor when they land for the first time. Now, we've got rotating testimonials to enhance social proof. This area can also be used to feature other content designed to induce interaction with the site. It is HTML sensitive. You can use any text or even images in there as well. Choose either a static image for the main central feature display panel or a fully functional sliding feature gallery linking to inner site content. Or you can even feature different videos within various featured panel pages. Now, you can link any featured content sliding image to any page or article, and that allows you to display all inner site content right within your home page so that everything stays above the fold on your home page. Now remember, the reason why the above the fold display on your homepage is critically important is because statistics show that only 23% of visitors ever bother to scroll down the homepage of websites they're visiting for the first time. So that means that you could miss out on an awful lot of relevant business and site visitor traffic having long form landing pages. Now you can type in any call to action text message you want, and by the way, on that one, I'll just go back there. You can select from a variety of fonts and different colored fonts, font effects that will overlay over 20 different call to action background images, and we've got 12 call to action arrows for the right side panel. We may add more later, but we've got more than enough to suit every different type of site style for you. So you can continue your call to action message with some custom text underneath the arrow. You can insert a highly visible phone number, and you can even make it flash on and off if you want to, with the jQuery controlled variable speed for emphasis. You can use an image that zooms out to an opt-in form via a light box when you click on it, or you can insert any autoresponder opt-in form code to create a lead generation system. You can use any HTML, or you can even use WordPress shortcode as well. If you don't need an opt-in, that's fine. Just insert a graphic image that links to content within the site, or a discount coupon, or wherever you want it to link to. With internal pages, you can either display the featured panel with any page, or not display the featured panel on internal pages. Choose between page display with column on any page and page display without column on any page. You can create critically important SEO content via the inherent WordPress tools, and because it's WordPress, if you've got a favorite WordPress plugin like SEO Presser or whatever, SEO Beast, any of those that are really excellent, they will work in with LocalBiz Vortex perfectly. So LocalBiz Vortex makes it easier, much easier, to get your business ranking on Google page 1. It comes with 20 preset color styles, and you can amend all of these styles and add to them to create your own expandable styles library. And here we've got blues, we've got citrus, red, aquas, and you can have them with a separate header bar that separates the top from the bottom, or with or without. All of this is controllable by point and click, actually, in the back end, a very simple control panel, and you can amend all of these colors to whatever you like. And all of these features are simply and speedily controlled from one central control panel. It can't get much easier than that. There's a one-click installer of the base site to get you started. You just click on that. There is actually a dialog box that asks you which pages you want to have included and so forth, but it is quick as that, a matter of seconds, and you have got a fully blown a base master site with full footer pages like legal pages, disclaimer, and so forth. It's all included, a couple of seconds, and you're ready to go. With the header, you don't have to use the text header, although there's a lot of scope and variety with the different font text effects and colors, but you can put in a graphic header, and on the right hand side here you can have either a video widget, you can have a banner, you can have a down arrow, you can have basically whatever you want to have on the right hand side, and that makes it very versatile indeed, and makes it really easy to make the site look very distinctively your own. Now with Vortex, we've included a syntax spinner which will allow you to insert any syntaxed content, as you see here, and spin it on demand. It'll spin the page content, and it will also spin the title. You can put in your syntax spin text there, and each time you click the spin now button, or each time it spins under an automated cycle, it will change the title, it will change the text as well. So we've got it set up here to spin on demand either every day or every 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, or 30 days. And because this is featured in a WordPress page editor, you can actually underline, bold, highlight the text. You can change the font color. You can even rotate different image links if you wanted to. So that is a really solid feature built into Vortex for your convenience and your pleasure and your productivity. Yeah, we got a built-in cloner tool that replicates sites in seconds and deploys them in a couple of minutes flat, so you can create multiple sites in the same niche very, very quickly, as well as having an on-site backup tool on hand also. And there it is there on the right-hand side. You'll see the tab there for duplicated. Just click on that. It's a 3-step process. We've incorporated this. It's open source software, which we've tweaked just a little bit and changed and incorporated it into LocalBiz Vortex, so it is very, very simple to replicate and back up your LocalBiz Vortex sites. Now, for enterprising developers, we've got an optional white label theme rebranding license and script that allows you to completely rebrand LocalBiz Vortex as your own theme and to remove any reference whatsoever to Vortex or Syntonic Soft. Now, this is not for rebranding the theme as your own product. It's just for rebranding the theme for sites that you build for clients or even for your own purposes, so that in the back end there is absolutely no reference whatsoever to, here's a shot here, you can see that we've got the theme version, and that shows up in the theme management panel in the back end. You can change the name of the theme URL, the author URL, the theme description, all of that. You can change the theme thumbnail as well. And of course, what you want to do if you're using this for clients and creating your own theme that links and identifies entirely and exclusively to you, you would just check this box here, hide CSS section above after save, and that means that it disappears entirely. The client doesn't even know that feature was there, doesn't know that you've used LocalBiz Vortex. But if you want to make that panel appear again, we have got a method by which you can do that in the back end. It's all been, we spent a lot of time on this, getting this right, I'll tell you, because there was a lot of headaches trying to make the files show up after we rename them, and I don't want to go into it, but it actually took us weeks to get that right. Okay, so we've also created a custom styles file for WP Touch plugin to enable instant mobile site readiness. So your sites will automatically display in mobile browsers, or you can create unique pages as well to add on to that. And we've got a point-and-click mobile button creator to insert buttons anywhere on any page. You've got a variety of colors there, and whatever you want to have printed on the button, you can. Okay, and here's a snapshot of the back end, the point-and-click mobile button creator, which makes it really easy to create buttons for any purpose. Click to call, send to SMS, send to email, link to coupon, link to offer, link to article, link to Facebook, link to wherever you like. Now, LocalBiz Vortex is available under a developer license, and that allows you to create unlimited installations on any site that you build and sell to clients, customers, or for flipping using the LocalBiz Vortex brand. Or LocalBiz Vortex is available under an enterprise license, and that allows you to create unlimited installations on any site that you build and sell to clients, customers, or for flipping using the theme rebrander license, so you can rebrand LocalBiz Vortex as your own product. And for niche developers, we've also got a LocalBiz Vortex niche library add-on option. It's currently got 15 titles in there, so that allows you to create instant niche sites with auto-spun content that you can tweak and develop for your own portfolio or sell to clients or flip. And we've got chiropractor, we've got carpet cleaner, we've got auto electrician, we've got electrician, we've got plumber, we've got you name it. We've got all the main ones. As I say, there's 15 at the moment, and there's many popular ones in there, and we'll be adding to that as well. And once you have installed or accessed one of the set of niche site files using the syntax auto spinner, you could go out and create 50 of the same site if you wanted to, and they would all be different from day one that you deployed them because of that function, and that is really, really powerful. Okay, and best of all, you can try LocalBiz Vortex risk-free for 30 days. We give you an unconditional 30-day no-quibble money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you decide that LocalBiz Vortex was not a stellar investment, we'll gladly refund you in full with a prompt refund. So you owe it to yourself and your business, if you're in offline marketing or niche marketing, to get the best website performance available. Start using LocalBiz Vortex today for powerhouse internet results. Now, the results you get from using LocalBiz Vortex will far outweigh the cost of the initial investment, and you've got 30 days risk-free to prove it to yourself. Secure your LocalBiz Vortex license today and start making more money. I'm Russell Hall, creator of LocalBiz Vortex. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you on the inside. Bye now.